Going to give you a quick tutorial for Blender on making a picket fence or evenly distributing a bunch of stuff. So what I have here is a bunch of stuff, a bunch of things that are perfectly aligned. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my ruler and set it, select all my things, make sure all my things are selected, and I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to make sure I am set to use endpoint. So there's this little guy here. There it's set to use endpoint, and if I click it, it'll use midpoint. The red text is always telling you what it's going to do when you click on it. So if I click on it, then it'll measure to endpoint. And I want all of these guys to be aligned to, along the width, to 0. So hit 0. Oh, there was somebody that wasn't selected. Make sure everybody is selected. This will not work if everybody is not selected. Ah, there. Set everybody to 0. Now, you'll notice all of these objects are 5 millimeters wide. This can work with objects that are of different varying widths, but there is a trick to how you will want to have them stacked. You'll notice my objects here go from left to right and right to left. So if I look at it this way and click just on the first one, that'll be the only one selected, which is what I want to do. Unselect everything, click the first one, and set it here so I can see what I'm typing at. And I want to set him, I want a 5 millimeter width between these things. So I typed in 5 for the width and it jumped at 5 millimeters. Now I'm going to shift click and you'll notice the width jumped back to 0. I'm going to type 10 again, hit return. There they go. Shift click back to 0, type 10, and so on and so on. This is really handy for making a nice, evenly spaced array of things. Since Blender does not have a distribute function, this works just as well. So, I hope you enjoyed this little tidbit. Quick and simple. Thank you. Have a great day.